Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically generate a Scream kind of photo shoot using AI. So Halloween is coming up. I think this is the perfect time for that. I actually really love Halloween. Not mostly for like the scares and stuff like that, but I actually just like dressing up as a person, as a grown adult. But I still like dressing up and I like putting on some like funky makeup, and it's just the perfect month for it. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to put your image and you're going to put this prompt. I will put the prompt in the description box down below as per usual, and it's going to generate a super cute image for me, and you can caption it like Halloween or Scream or anything like that. But this is what the picture should look like. It's actually super cute. I love it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.